Hello everyone! In the next couple of minutes, you'll learn how to create abstract art like this in Illustrator. Let's get started. Firstly, let's create a background shape using the rectangle tool. Using the eyedropper, select the color of your background. Lock the background layer by going to Object, Lock, then Selection. Use the star tool and create a shape. And use this slider to choose the number of points. Create a gradient using the gradient tool, then click on the star shape. Double-click on the first color of the gradient and choose a color. Repeat this process for the other colors in the gradient until you are happy. Now swap the fill and stroke. Set the stroke thickness to, let's go with 10 point. Go to Effect at the top of the screen, click on Distort and Transformation, then Zigzag. Set the size to 3 pixels. Change the ridges to 0, then select Smooth for the points. Hold the Alt key or Option key to duplicate the shape, then drag the copy across like I have here. Scale the shape down and make it smaller. Now we want to blend the shapes together. To do this, click on the Blend tool. Click on the first shape, then move your mouse across to the smaller shape and click on that. Now double-click on the Blend tool. This will bring up the blend options. Select the spacing to specify distance, then set the distance to 1 pixel. To create the curved line our new blended shape will sit on, we need to use the Curvature tool to create a curved line. Make sure your line starts and finishes outside of the artboard. Press the Escape key when you finish making your line. Let's make sure both endpoints are out of the artboard. Now select the line you've just made and the blend shape by holding Shift. Click on the object menu at the top and locate Blend, then select Replace Spine. Your blended shape should now be on the curved line. If you are not 100% happy with it, you can make some adjustments to the shape. You can do this by isolating the selected group. Double-click on the shape. You can see here I'm going to increase the number of points on the shape. I'm going to do the same again for the other side. You can resize it like I am here. Make it fit exactly how you want it to. There you go. That is how you make this abstract art background in Illustrator. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.